So you probably might be having the Twitter Spaces feature right now, and you want to know anytime when someone is having a live talk show, you want to join and then share your ideas and probably participate and make you known when you also get into the spaces the person is holding, and people are really going to like you with your great ideas. So if you really want to get notified anytime someone is having a spaces, then I think this video is right for you. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. And I'm going to go to my phone and then screen record everything and show you the necessary steps you need to take in order to get notified anytime someone is having a Twitter space. So without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you open your Twitter up, and then you see the three lines at the left top corner. You tap on it, and then you go down, and then you tap on settings and then privacy, and then you see the third option right here, which is notifications. You tap on it, and then you come down here, and then you see push notification. You tap on push notification, and you scroll down, and then you see broadcast and then spaces right here. You check this box, and then you are good to go. So if you actually don't have push notification turned on right here too, you turn it on, and then you come back to turn on broadcast and spaces, and then you are good to go. You are always going to get notified. You go back and you see this right here, notification have been successfully updated, and then anytime someone holds the Twitter spaces, you're going to get a notification. When you scroll down, you get your notification, and you come back here and you're going to see it right here. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up so that it reaches a lot of people. I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share it to anyone who you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.